In this video, let's talk about how to use Uber Health for medical appointments. Now, in order for you to use the Uber Health for medical appointments, your healthcare provider or your clinic or your insurance plan must arrange the ride for you or send you a self-booking invitation. Now, there can be two methods to this. The first method is provider managed schedules. For this, you do not need to use your smartphone. If you do not have a smartphone and an internet connection or even the Uber app, your medical clinic can handle everything on their dashboard. They just need to request a ride, provide the details, and then receive the updates. This is the first method. The second method is going to be the patient self-booking. Healthcare organizations can allocate benefit funding directly to your personal Uber account. If your provider uses this feature, they will be able to send you an invitation link. You just need to accept the invitation link, SMS activation link that has been sent to you, and then set your destination, switch your payment, and then confirm the ride. So these are the two methods that you can use in order to use the Uber Health for medical appointments. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to let us know. I'm going to see you in the next video.